न तातो न माता न बन्धुर्न नप्ता न पुत्रो न पुत्री न भृत्यो न भर्ता न जाया न विद्या न वृत्तिर्ममैव गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानि भवावधावपारे महादुःखभीरुः प्रपन्नः प्रकामे प्रलोभे प्रमत्तः कुसंसारपाशप्रबन्ध सदाहं गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानि गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानि न जानामि दानं च न ध्यानयोगं न जानामि तन्त्रं न च स्तोत्रमन्त्रं न जानामि पूजां न च न्यासयोगम् गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानि न जानामि पुण्यं न जानामि तीर्थं न जानामि मुक्तिं लयं वा कदाचित् न जानामि भक्तिं व्रतं वापि मातः गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानि कुकर्मी कुसंगी कुबुद्धिः कुदासः कुलाचारहीनं कदाचारलीनः कुदृष्टिः कुवाक्य प्रबन्ध सदाहं गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानि गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानि प्रजेशं रमेशं महेशं सुरेशं दिनेशं निशीथे स्वरं वा कदाचित् न जानामि चान्यं सुराणां शरण्ये गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानि विषादे विवादे प्रमादे प्रवासे जले वानले पर्वते शत्रुमध्ये अरण्ये शरण्ये सदा मां प्रपाहि गतिस्त्वं gate svam tvameka bhavani anatho daridraha jararoga yuktaha महाक्षीणदीनः सदा जाड्यवक्त्रः विपत्तौ प्रविष्टः प्रणष्टः सदाहं गते स्वं त्वमेका भवानि गते स्वं त्वमेका भवानि गते स्वं त्वमेका भवानि. So if we take third sloka, न जानामि दानं न च ध्यान योगः न जानामि तंत्रम न च स्तोत्र मंत्रम न जानामि पूजाम न च न्यास योगम गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका. अहम दानम न जानामि. I don't know what danam is called. What is called actual charity? I don't know. Aham न जानामि ध्यान योगम च. Even dhyana yoga, what is actual meditation? Really, I don't know. Na tantram. Tantra means system, but here tantra means one path of spirituality. Na janami stotra mantra. I don't know the hymns and chanting. Na cha pujam. Aham janami. I don't know how to worship you. Na cha nyasa yogam. I really don't know. What is sannyasa? What is actual renunciation is called, I don't know. I know only you. O Mother Bhavani, you are my final abode. You are my final refuge. I know only you. In one place, it is written in that way. To giving of alms and to meditation, to scriptures and hymns and mantras, a stranger. I know not of worship, possess no dispassion. In you is my only heaven of refuge. In you my health, my strength, O Mother Bhavani. Without complete surrendering to the Lord, spiritual progression is not possible. then that is called Vidya. Sa Vidya Ya Vimuktai. That is called actual knowledge, what makes us liberate. And in Subhasitani, what is there? Vidya dadati vinayam, vinayam yati patratam, patratvat dhanamapnoti, dhanat dharma tatasukha. That is called Vidya, that is called knowledge, what makes us humble. After acquiring a lot of knowledge about various subjects, after acquiring a mountain full of wealth, after acquiring a lot of respect by any means, in my personal nature, in my intrinsic nature, if there is no humility, what is the use of that knowledge? Because sa vidya ya vimukta, that is actual knowledge what makes us liberated. When we can't control our anger, when we can't control our arrogance, means we are not liberated yet. How much the knowledge we may acquire means we are enslaved of my own indriyas. My own raga dvesha, likes and dislikes have made me their slaves. So what is the sign of your spiritual growth? Are you humble internally and externally? Because sometimes in front of Acharya, in front of Guru, in front of some big personalities, we are bound to be humble. Otherwise, we will be rejected from them. This humbleness I'm talking, it is not showing business. We become humble by force, and when we become alone or in close circle, we start exaggerating. This is everything is merged in. For that, forbearance and titiksha is required. Sahanam sarvadukhanam apratikara purvakam. Chintavilaparahitam satitiksha nigadyate. Accepting everything else with a lot of love and compassion, and forbear everything else, considering everything is nothing but the grace of the Divine Mother, Bhavani. If we are a deep thinker, then a lot of time is not needed to understand that in this whole world nothing is mine. What about you claim as mine, 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 what you have produced? Once some devotee offered food to our Gurudev, and they are always eager to listen, how is the food? Gurudev was eating. Mm, the lady asked, how is the food? How is the food, Gurudev? Gurudev was wonderful, but why? I made it. Oh, really? Have you made it? Which one? Have you made this vegetable? No, no, no. Have you made this all the ingredients? No, no. What you have made? Everything. What about is there over the food? Even the utensils by which you have brought, or in the utensils where you are supposed to claim that I have made it. Which one is yours? With a false notion, we claim that we have made, this is my house, my car, my everything. Thousand kilometers, two beautiful souls used to stay. In Facebook they met, thought of marrying, and started claiming my husband, my wife, my girlfriend. God only smiles, in our silly mindness. The growth of spirituality is to be noticed inside, because dharma or practicing religion is not an act of exhibition, but it is a realization. May I convert all mineness or all mine to yours slowly, each and every bit. Then only at the end of the day, when a lot of pain will come, we can surely reject it, that it is not mine. If you accept a slightest enjoyment in you, you have to accept the pain also. Spiritual growth means converting mine to you or yours. This is called eye correction. This is called eye correction. I. If you consider EYEI, that also. Because how I look towards the thing, that makes the game of my life. So spirituality means eye correction and eye correction. And that is called a realization. That is called a realization, or in one word, realization. To know the intrinsic nature of I. Who is that I? Najanami Danam. Why? It is, the slok has not been authored to avoid doing charity. When in the extreme point of realization, a sadhaka comes, then he or she realizes that what is mine that I will give. First I have to possess something else. Then only the question of giving. If I am invited to your home, I can take these things, that things, those things, and can't give charity to others because there is no right. Likewise, the whole world is mother's. In that standpoint, na janami dana. Na cha dhyana yogya. When sadhana starts, then there is a laksha or aim to be attained, to be achieved. And how will we achieve it or attain it? There is some certain path. Okay. And following this path is called sadhana. And who is doing? He is sadhaka. So there is a distinct differences between sadhya means aim, sadhaka who is going to attain the goal, sadhya, sadhaka, and sadhana, the way I will reach that point. But what is after attaining? Brahmavit, Brahmaiva Bhavati. Where there is no distinction, no differences, where sadhya, sadhaka and sadhana merges in one. Then who will meditate upon whom? In that respect, nacha dhyana yoga. Najanami tantram. Tantra is another method of attaining the goal. Kriya pradhan, sacrifice pradhan, dominating. Like in our Vedanta, it is vichara pradhan, discrimination dominated spiritual path we follow. But Tantra is there, which path is based on fire sacrifices, animal sacrifices, and so many things, and karma pradhana. Sometimes people think that if we want to attain Brahman, we need the path of Vichara or Advaita Vedanta. But if we want to attain Mother, the Shakti, we need Tantra. So here sadhaka is telling that yes, I have heard, oh my mother, if I want to attain you, I need to know Tantra, but I really don't know. Nacha stotra mantra. You know, whenever we sit for puja, Om Akhanda Mandalakaram Vyaptam Yena Charajaram Datvadam Darshitam Yena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah Yavagusuma Sankasya Vyang Mahadhyutim Dhantaring Sarva Papabhinam Prano Tasmi Divakaram Om Pratvitvaya Dvitaloka Devitvam Vishnapita Panchadarayamam Nityam Pavitram Gurujasanam. All such mantras, because it is the part and parcel. But who is dependent on Mother completely, who is truly humble, who doesn't want to know Mata Bhavani, whose actual final refuge. He doesn't need to know Tantra and Mantra. न जानामि पूजाम न च न्यास योग. So, पूजाम, puj dhatu, puja, worship, means I don't know the Tathakatita puja. When I found everything is nothing but the expression of you, including my body, and everything is yours, I have nothing. Because you are not only the entire Shakti, you are also the individual Shakti. Means in the strength I am speaking, in the strength I study, in the strength I eat something, that is you only. So my whole life is nothing but puja alone, offering alone. So what is Vidhivattha puja? I don't know. And nachanyasa yoga. Sannyasa means samyak rupena nyasa. When a person leaves his all worldly desires for only sensual pleasure, driven by the untrained mind and intellect, sannyasa means get rid of that sort of desires. What results in me as anxiety, doubt, conflicts, depression, down. Sannyas means giving up everything else. Giving up kama, giving up krodha, giving up lobha, giving up moha, giving up mada, giving up matsarya. But when I have offered my everything else to you, so Ramakrishna did a beautiful puja. Mago, এই নে তোর ভালো, এই নে তোর মন্দ আমায় শুদ্ধ কর। এই নে তোর জ্ঞান, এই নে তোর অজ্ঞান আমায় শুদ্ধ ভক্তি দে। When I can offer my everything else in this way to the Divine Mother, then what should I renounce? Because if I claim that I have renounced, means I have the sense of possession of something else. Unless and until I possess anything else, how should I renounce it? Gatesvam, gatesvam, tvam eka bhavani. Oh, Mother Bhavani, you are my only refuge. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Hari Om to everyone.